Hello, welcome back to Sam's Shop Talk. Today, we're going to be doing an overview of our mini mill, so let's do it. This is a mini mill too. It is the smallest enclosed mill in the shop, and it's great for tiny parts like the couplings you'll see in a minute. This is a 5 horsepower Cat 40 6,000 RPM spindle, along with a 20 pocket umbrella style tool changer. Right now, there are 3 air chucks in the machine, controlled with an M code in the program. We've also added an air blaster for plastic parts, so we're not cooling drenching plastic parts when we're wasting cooling. Thanks for watching. If you had any comments or questions, put those down in the comments. Keep watching if you want to see this get turned into this.